Hi everyone, fixing the car again today. It's been sitting for half a month. Finally time to work. The other guy had no insurance. We've agreed on that now. Himself. First, let's take off the outer cover and check inside. Luckily, not a single light is broken. Just this tail light costs almost a month of my salary. Removing the trunk lid and taking out the scrapped rear crash beam. Let's have a look inside. The impact really messed it up. And the crumple zone of the lower frame is completely crushed. Now, here's the full repair process. Won't take long. Please watch till the end. Let's get to work. First, remove the bent middle section. Apply strong pulling force. The main stress points are on these two beams. Pull while hammering lightly. That really helps restore the crumple zone. Same again, pull and tap at the same time. Makes it easier to unfold the wrinkles on the spine. And that finished the frame alignment. Now start spot welding. Separate the double layer panels. The rear end has been taken off. Let's compare before and after. Right rear beam. Welding the longitudinal beam. First, just tack 2 points. Trunk floor. Rear panel. Fixed with bolts. Check the tail lights. Check the bumper. These original parts fit perfectly smooth. After test fitting, weld everything fully. Grind smooth. Spray on epoxy primer. After drying, apply seam sealer. Finally, spray on underbody coating. Shaping is done. Let's check the result. With that, start reassembling. Trunk lid. Tail light. Crash bar. Bumper. And just like that, it's all put back together. And that's the end of the repair work. The beast is back to life. But remember, there are thousands of roads. Safety always comes first. Never skip insurance thinking you'll be lucky. And lastly, don't forget to use your lovely hands. To leave a comment, like, and follow to support the craftsman. Thanks everyone.